Okay, guys. Well, you've seen the cold start on my 78 back there. I took that video in February, middle of February. I got it out since then and did some work to the carb, and it's tuned now, so she'll fire right up. But for now, I'm going to walk around and show you what other vehicles I have. Let's start with my daily driver. This is my 2005 F-250 Power Stroke diesel with a 6.0 in it. Nice pickup. I love it. It's got some mud grips on it. She does awesome. This is a truck I drove in high school. 94 F-150. Supporting the Dukes of Hazzard. With a 302 automatic 2-wheel drive. This was my grandpa's truck. He passed away a few years ago. But anyway, it's a 2005 F-250 Power Stroke diesel 4-wheel drive crew cab short bed. Mine's in the extended cab long bed. And now we're getting to the trucks that are destined for a scrap yard after I finish parting them out. This is a 90 F-150. Had a 302 in it. It's sitting in the garage. Been bored through the over RV cam. That engine's going in the brew truck. And the reason why the axle's tweaked, well, long story short, me and my buddy did a swap on this truck he had, and we kind of half-assed put this back in, and when I was towing it here with a tractor, it gave way, and there it sits. Got this one. This is an 88 or 89 F-250 4-wheel drive with a 302 5-speed 4-wheel drive. It has some issues. The dash is all ripped out of it, but it's a parts truck. Who cares? We did get the motor to run on carb spray, but whatever. In the mower graveyard. Some more trucks back here behind the barn. That's another one of my parts trucks. 95 F-250 4-wheel drive. The frame's broke behind the shock tower. These two ain't mine. They're my buddy Darren's. 83 F-100. And what's left of a 77 F-250 2-wheel drive. Anyway, the frame is just broke on this truck. Right back here. So, continuing on with the journey. This is my 96 F-250 Proud truck, 351 Windsor, automatic. Nice pickup. There's two doors on it. And my Bruin over there has 2 doors on it. It sounds pretty fucking good. There's 78 that didn't the cold start on. And here's the one that's been in the family since nil. This was my great-grandmother's car. An 86 Mercury Grand Marquis. Only has 105,000 miles on it. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and comment, rate, subscribe. Don't really matter. Just doing this for fun. But if there's anything you want to see, let me know. Thanks.